Today we are going to discuss how to score more in C programming subject of first year engineering same to Mumbai University. So first point is don't attempt extra questions. Instead of attending extra questions which will waste your time, use that time to improving already written answers. Second point, write output whenever you are writing programming questions. For programming questions, write proper output that will be produced after executing. But don't waste much time for it. It should be completed within half minute, otherwise skip it. Third point, for theory questions, write following points. Write or describe the concept. Write things that you know about that concept. Then write syntax. After that, draw the flowchart. These 2 points are only for the programming construct. Write example that is full small program or part of program. Also write output but don't waste much time for it. Fourth point, while writing programming questions, following these steps, if you know and have confidence then just write whole program. Otherwise, write header files, write global declarations if any, variables or function prototype declarations or structure declaration. Then write main function, declare required variables within the main function. Write statement for taking inputs. Write whatever statement you can write about processing or logic. Write statement for displaying output. Close main function. Write function definition if any required for the specific program. Write sample output but don't waste much time for it. Then fifth point, write your answers sequentially. Don't spread your answers of main questions at different locations or different places or on different pages. Write sequentially. It makes your answer sheet critical to analyze. It will down your impression. So write your answers sequentially for main question. Then sixth point, don't leave exam hall early. Even if you don't know the answer, don't leave exam hall early. Try to remember whatever you study, learn in class, watch in video, learn from friend, learn from teacher, etc. about that topic. Write it properly on your answer sheet. Don't write two different or wrong answers. 7 point, if possible, avoid to take supplement. If your answer in your answer sheet sufficient pages to write 60 mark questions are given, so properly utilize these. If you are taking supplement, it will definitely waste your 15 minutes, minimum 15 minutes. It will distract you from thinking about answers. So try to manage in main answer sheet only. 8 point, follow the paper pattern. So paper pattern is like this. 60 marks question paper having only 2 hours to write. Total 6 question, each of 15 marks will be there. You have to attempt only 4 questions. Question 1 may be compulsory. Passing marks are 24. You should score at least 6 marks in each question so you will get 24 marks. That is passing. You will get pass easily. Keep target for passing, not scoring. This target is you have to score at least 10 marks in each question. So this target is for passing marks, not for scoring. For scoring, attempt each and every question. The ninth point is fully utilize given 2 hours. Try to complete a 15 mark question in 20 to 25 minutes. If it is not possible for you to attempt the question whose answer you don't know, skip that question. Don't get confused or afraid. Stay calm and cool. Do your best and keep writing wisely. All the best. So, dear student, be cool and stay calm. All the best, dear students. Keep writing C.